Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As an attendee, you can watch a Teams live event, live or on demand, if it's made available. To join a live event as an attendee, click the event link in the event's invitation. In the web page that opens, select to either join the live event anonymously on the web or download the desktop app. If you already have the Teams app, the live event automatically opens there. If you have a Teams account but aren't currently signed in, select Sign In to join. As an attendee, you are automatically muted when you join the live event. If the live event hasn't started, you'll see the message "The live event has not yet started." Once a live event has started, you can pause the live event at any time by clicking the Pause button at the bottom of the live event window. To resume, click the Play button in the same area. To the right of the Pause and Play button, you can adjust the event's audio by clicking and dragging the volume control slider to the desired level. You can click the Settings button below the bottom right corner of the live event window to adjust the video quality and playback speed. In Teams, you can also click the Full Screen button to maximize the viewing area by forcing the live events window to take up your entire screen and temporarily hide the other parts of the Teams app. You can then click the Exit Full Screen button to return to the normal view. If the event's organizer has enabled the Q&A feature, then the Q&A pane will appear where you can ask questions moderated by the event's organizer, producers, and presenters. You can hide or show the pane by clicking the Q&A toggle button in the live event toolbar in the upper right corner of the window. To ask a question, click the Ask a Question button at the bottom of the Q&A pane. Then type your question in the field. Check the Post as Anonymous checkbox if you prefer to keep your identity a secret, and then click the Send button to send your question to the moderators. All questions submitted appear to the moderators, who can then review and reply to questions. Moderators can either publish or dismiss a question. Publishing a question makes it visible to everyone in attendance. Dismissing keeps the question private. Moderators can also reply to your question privately. A complete list of the Q&As can also be downloaded after the event is over. Once a question is published, you can view it in the Q&A pane. You can click My Questions at the top of the pane to filter the display to only show your questions. You can click the Reply link below a question to send a reply to the moderators. You can click the Featured link at the top of the pane to display all published questions. You can click the Like button next to a question to show your approval. You can further sort the question results by selecting Most Liked or Most Recent from the drop-down at the top of the Q&A pane. Once a live event is over, you can watch the recording of the event using the same link in the invitation if the organizer chose to make the recording available.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.